A minimalist life promotes clarity, focus, and intentional living, allowing individuals to prioritize what truly matters to them. Here are 3 guiding principles of a minimalist lifestyle. Acceptance of simplicity. Minimalists understand that simplicity is key to a fulfilling life. They embrace the beauty of less, finding contentment in the simplicity of their surroundings, freeing themselves from unnecessary clutter. By decluttering their physical spaces and simplifying their possessions, they create a sense of calm and tranquility that permeates every aspect of their lives. This acceptance of simplicity allows them to focus on what truly matters, fostering deeper connections with themselves and others. Mindful consumption. Minimalists approach consumption with mindfulness and intentionality. They recognize that every purchase has an impact, not only on their own lives, but also on the environment and society as a whole. By prioritizing quality over quantity and choosing products that align with their values, they reduce waste and environmental impact while fostering a deeper connection to the things they own. Through mindful consumption, they cultivate a greater appreciation for the resources that sustain them and contribute to a more sustainable and ethical way of living. This mindful approach extends beyond material possessions to other aspects of their lives, including relationships, habits, and experiences. Living in the present moment. Minimalists understand the importance of living in the present moment. They let go of attachments to the past and worries about the future, choosing instead to focus on the here and now. By practicing mindfulness and awareness, they experience greater clarity, peace, and fulfillment in their daily lives. They savor each moment, finding joy in simple pleasures and appreciating the beauty of the world around them. Through living in the present moment, they cultivate a deeper sense of gratitude and contentment that enriches every aspect of their lives. This present-focused mindset allows them to fully engage with their experiences and connect more deeply with themselves and others. These 3 characteristics, acceptance of simplicity, mindful consumption, and living in the present moment, are the guiding principles of a minimalist lifestyle. By embracing these principles, individuals can create a life of greater purpose, fulfillment, and harmony with themselves and the world around them.